Hi, I'm Bob Alst with ShopSabre CNC. Around here they call me Routerbob. Today we're going to look at the benefits of torch collision detection for your ShopSabre CNC plasma machine. When cutting with your ShopSabre CNC plasma, the best part, consistency, is obtained by keeping the torch tip close to the material surface. In fact, the torch height control is used to maintain a constant tip height above the material. But sometimes the unexpected can happen, like a part tip up. That can cause your torch to unexpectedly strike the part. There are two ways to handle this occurrence. The first is our standard breakaway torch mount, which simply knocks the torch away if it strikes something. Then the operator stops the machine, resets the cut. But sometimes the part contact may just slightly move the torch. Maybe it's not even noticeable, but enough to cause the part size to change. The better solution is to use torch collision detection. The ShopSabre Torch Collision detection option is a fixed torch with a proximity sensor mount. This system can detect a strike in any direction and immediately prevent damage by executing an emergency stop. Not only does it stop immediately, but it makes restarting a breeze. Once you clear the problem object, you simply push the restart button and the machine continues from where it left off. Saves a lot of time and materials. The ShopSabre Torch Collision detection option gives you the same technology typically found in high-definition cutting applications. Now, some competitors take the cheap route and simply add a switch to the breakaway mount and call it collision detection. The idea is that if the torch is moved off the mount, the switch activates emergency stop function. The problem with this approach is most collisions are minor and only move the torch enough to change the part size, not enough to activate the switch. From that point on, the parts being produced will be the wrong size until the torch alignment's corrected. Bad parts and wasted materials. Another concern, of course, is the switch sticks and then doesn't activate even if the torch dismounts. Once again, bad parts and wasted materials. The ShopSabre Torch Collection detection option can quickly pay for itself in material savings alone. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you need more information, you can contact us at ShopSabre.com. Thank you for watching.